Sarah, and I'm here to review the Willowbrook Scented Sachet Packet. So I got the white cotton. I've been using this for almost a year and it still smells just as fresh as it did when I just got it. I have been using it in my closet and in drawers for me and my husband. It has kept all of our clothes smelling super fresh, even if we don't wear those or haven't washed those clothes in months. This has been awesome to have. We also do have 2 dogs and it has not seemed to bother them, which is awesome. This is also great for using in the bathroom. It will keep the bathroom smelling fresh too. And so I like to put it up above my medicine cabinet, which is a great place to keep out of the reach of kids, to keep out of reach of pets. This has been so awesome to have, to just keep a fresh smelling home. If you are looking for something, for a scented packet that's going to keep your drawers smelling fresh, keep your bathroom smelling fresh, keep your trash smelling fresh, and you want something that's going to last, I highly recommend these here.